Hey everyone, we went to another haul and this is from Hobby Lobby and we got some really good buys there. They had, of course, 40% off their Christmas and then they had like 90% off of some other things. And to be honest with you, I'm going to end up with Joann because I went to Joann's and we got some yarn for my daughter and they had their wreaths on sale. So wait till you see these wreaths because you really can't even make them for what I paid for them. Okay, so if you have a Joann's, definitely hit those Joann's because they have a lot of hidden sale prices going on, even with their yarn. So, okay, first off, I got some Minecraft stuff, which at Hobby Lobby has been marked down. And this is like a pillow and a blanket set, and it was $4.24. Which, you know, for a boy's room, you can't beat it. $4.24. It was regular $16.99. So cute, isn't it? Okay, that's that one. Then I got the throw ones, which were $12.99, and these were $3.24. Hobby Lobby, and they have other characters, Disney characters like, what do they have? Paw Patrol. And
The Little Mermaid.
The Little Mermaid. So you won't see them, but in a certain section. They're not going to be in the clearance section. They're going to be in a Disney section.
They have Baby Yoda, too.
Yes, and they have Baby Yoda.
Star Wars Mandalorian.
All right, I had to break down and buy.
It sounds like mental breakdown, Mom.
It was. I had to break down. And let me tell you something. I have got probably 4 or 5 glue guns. But since I've moved, they're in the garage somewhere, and the garage is stacked from the bottom to the top because we thought we were going to move again. And I had my old standby one, which was, I've had that other one for 30 years, and it finally sort of just doesn't work. And then I was trying, if you'll see me in some of these videos, I was trying to use this little mini one that I had that came in a kit. That didn't work either. So this is supposed to be cordless. I'll let you know how it goes. I did get it at Hobby Lobby for $23.99. And I did see it. I saw one in Michael's and it was $24.99, but it was the corded one. So this was really a good deal at Hobby Lobby. I don't know if it ever goes on sale. If it did, I pretty much didn't. I paid full price, but I'm desperate. Okay. All right. Next. Look at these flowers. These are the floral accents, and I paid full price because they were just so cute. I couldn't put it. Yeah, these were $1.49. Look how cute these are. I don't think I've seen these at Dollar Tree, but these are just really nicely made. But look how cute these are. Aren't they nice? Really pretty. And then this one, which was $1.99. But this one has got a lot of cool stuff in it too. So I was very excited. See this one? This was $1.99. But if you look at all of these together, because I plan on putting them probably in a vase together. I'm sure I have a vase somewhere. Look how pretty this is going to be. Sure, we're looking around for a vase. Oh, I can put it in one of these things. Right? Oh, that would be pretty, yeah. Just gonna get this really pretty one.
This would go better with this.
This was, of course, Goodwill. Look how pretty that is. It's definitely cottagecore. My daughter will probably get it one day, but look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? Look. So
pretty.
I love the way it looks.
Trying to shine some more light on it.
Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
We'll have to just put it right over there, just like that. And look how easy that is, guys. You could just buy a bunch of flowers. I mean, you could spread them out and stuff, you know, give them some character. But I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Angelina. Okay, got some Christmas stuff at Hobby Lobby because it's 40% off now. So I got some snow. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Very pretty. And that could be our, you know, picture for the front.
Yeah, it did.
And I got some confetti. This has got little, like, blue snows in it, little blue snowflakes. Blue snowflakes.
Blue snows, y'all.
Okay, I got these glass ornaments because I'm going to try to use these in a DIY as bubbles. But I'm going to need a much bigger.
What?
Yeah, I'm going to have to, I don't know. Okay, I might put them over there maybe.
Okay.
We'll see. Anyway, 40% off. Then I got all of these. I'm going to do all right, we will show you the, well, I want to put glitter on these and do a little arrangement. So I got 3 or 4 bags of these. They were $2.99, 40% off. And then I got the little ones in case I need to fill in with them. These were $3.99, but 40% off. How much is that, Angelina?
Don't ask me.
$2.40 for that. She looks dumbfounded at the moment.
I'm trying to figure it out in my head, but I can't. Not yet. Not right now.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
It's too early.
It's 4:34 in the afternoon.
Okay, then I also got these. These were $2.99 each, so 3 times they were like $1.80. But I'm
okay, show off.
I'm gonna make. See, I don't know if you can see them, but isn't that pretty? Look. Yeah, I'm gonna make a wreath out of these because they had wreaths there, and they made them out of this, and they were like $50.
Look at all the glitter on the table.
I'm like, I'm gonna make it. Look, I'm gonna make one. So I got a bunch of these. Hope I can make. Yeah, we'll show you all the wreaths we got too. We got a lot of different wreaths. All right, next is look at all the glitter. All right, next we are. I'm going to make jewelry for gifts for Christmas for people, which I did last year, but I kept some of it for myself. Don't tell anybody because I love jewelry. But look at all of this. All right, so this, 40% off. This is like little ho 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 with little jingle bells on it. So I got 2 of them, and I'm going to make earrings out of them. So even for like, say, $4.50, so that's 9 times 4. So this is $5 for earrings. So you can't beat that, guys. Christmas earrings.
The good thing about them is that you don't have to worry about them flipping over and people not being able to read them, because either way you can read that
That's
it
true.
says that.
See, on both sides.
So that way you don't have to worry about it.
You will see my DIY on that. And then these are really cute. These are like little, they're little like snow globes. I don't know if you can see it, but they sparkle. Oh yeah, it's showing. Look how cute it shows the sparkle. Oh, there it is. That's pretty. Okay, then these, I think these are supposed to be snowmen.
Or Santa.
Well, what did I do last year? I did the Santas last year.
You did snowmen last year.
Oh,
because Elijah wanted a pair.
Okay, so these are going to be Santas this year.
Cute.
Okay, next is, look at these Christmas trees.
Those are cute.
These are heavy, so I might make necklaces out of these. I'm not sure yet. I don't know how they'd be for earrings, but these would make a cute necklace, won't they?
Mm-hmm. Those are really cute.
String them with beads.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then I love these. These are like antique-y. They're not too heavy. I think I might make earrings out of these, but look how pretty these are. These were $3 each, so I don't know if you can see them.
I think they can.
But here where it's darker. Sorry about the glare, but that is our window. I guess, you know what, I never thought about it, but I could probably close the light on this window. Is that better, Angelina?
Not much.
Okay, then they have these little, it's like little pendants, and you get a bunch of them. I'm not sure how many. You get 20 pieces.
Cute.
For $6, but look at all I don't know if you can. Yeah, it is colored. Okay, I think we got the idea. All right, my daughter picked out these. She wanted these for earrings. These are like little Christmas light bulbs. They're cute. They are cute. You can even make a bracelet out of those. Be cute.
I feel like earrings, it wouldn't like hit against your wrist and stuff or
true.
do anything or catch on to
Okay,
clothes.
then we got these, which is like little Christmas trees, little snowflakes,
Those are cute.
and maybe little Santas. How cute is that? That's some cute stuff. And bracelets. So we got this pretty one. Let's see.
A little up.
Whoops.
Whoop.
Put your hand behind it. Oh, there you go. That's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one is this. They only had one of these left, so somebody's definitely making some of these.
They're very shimmery.
Mm-hmm. Look like little strawberries. And then these are just the beads that you can make necklaces, earrings, you can make bracelets. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm going to show you all these wreaths that I got. You know, I was looking at wreaths for when I went to Goodwill. You know, you buy them, but Goodwill's gotten so expensive now. I'm like, I just can't believe that, you know, they'll have one for like $10, and if you don't go on the color day, you can't get it. You know, the most you can get it for is $5. But I got all of these, and these were all at Hobby Lobby, I believe, wasn't it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this was $5.99, and I think these were 40% because
I think
their
they were.
floral was 40%. So that was a pretty good one. Then I got the Christmas one. That was 40% off, and they are probably, let's see, this is probably about $9, I think. Okay, then I got this one, which is your rough one, which is the branches. Let me move these out the way so you can see. The branches, yeah. So these were $6. I'm not sure, I think, yeah, these were $6. I'm not sure if they were 40% off, but it was still a good buy. Okay. All right. All of their greenery, all of their flowers, 40% off. Look how pretty this is. This is just a hanging one, and I really like these. If you put them in a pot, I'm going to show you one right now. My daughter's going to go grab it, but you could just put these in a pot somewhere, and it looks really pretty hanging from a shelf. See how pretty this one is? All right, like this one, I just have it hanging from a shelf. See, like this, and it just hangs in a pot. Yeah. So that's a quick and easy one too. That would be a great 1-minute craft. And then I got, this is a garland one. So this one was really big. I think this one looks a little bit like green moss. So I'm going to use some of this in a Halloween DIY, but it looks really creepy a little bit. Doesn't it? And it would look good, you know. You can even put it on your mantle and add flowers and stuff to it, or add black flowers with eyeballs, all the creepy stuff. Yeah. Okay. All right. So is that it for Hobby Lobby?
Yep.
All right. So that's it for Hobby Lobby. I do want to show you all the beautiful wreaths that I got from Joanns. Now they had their, look at this. They had this one, I think this one. They had Christmas ones that were 70% off. Okay, this was probably 15, maybe 18. But look how gorgeous this is. You're not going to believe some of these that I got. Okay?
If you want to hand me that one. Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right. This one, look, $10. They had 90% off on their wreath. This at Joann's was $10. Now, at one point, I can't remember what it was, but yeah.
It's pretty.
Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. $10. It was 90% off. So actually it was $5.90. It was actually $6.
That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy? It was $5.99.
Mm-hmm.
That is just gorgeous. Look at it. I'm going to show it to you up close just so you can see some of the brilliant colors. Look at that.
It's really pretty.
You can't buy the flowers for that. You can't make it for that. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. She's going to grab that one. This is another one for 10. Actually, it was $6.99. But look at this one. It's got the hydrangeas in it. It's got some roses in it. And, yeah, 90% off. I'm like, oh my God.
This one's my favorite.
This is her favorite because it's cottage core. And look at this. This is gorgeous.
That one's my favorite.
It is mine too. I was like, it was only one left, let me tell you. It was only one left.
But you snatched that up so fast.
And I was like, it's mine. Can you see it? Look, I'm going to show it to you up close. And
It's really pretty.
yeah, it's got just and they're all like, they look like dried flowers, but they're plastic. But
They do look like they're
yeah,
real.
They look so real that it's incredible. Okay, and then I have one more.
Nope, I think that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
That's it, guys? Oh no. I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Oh no. Okay. If you would hit the subscribe button, that is such a great thing to do for us. And then the like button, and then the notification bell. We would really, really, really appreciate it because we're still trying to grow our channel, and we would love to meet some of y'all sometime. So if you're ever in Florida, if you're ever in Orlando, let us know. Yeah, because we're near Disney. We're only about 25 to 30 minutes from Disney. We're getting ready to go back there because it's been so hot. We haven't gone all summer. But anyway, subscribe. We love you. Just take care of yourself and each other. And have a great day. And we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, Angelina.
Bye.
Bye.